Rogers Wi-Fi pods disconnect due to various reasons, including firmware bugs, interference from other devices like microwaves or smart home gadgets, improper pod placement, or issues with mesh network optimization. Start troubleshooting by ensuring your Ignite Gateway firmware is up to date. Rogers released version 7.2.1.1 in October 2025 to address many disconnection bugs. Next, optimize pod placement. Keep them within 30 to 50 feet of each other and the gateway and away from obstructions. Try the Rogers app's mesh test to diagnose weak links. Finally, interference can be mitigated by separating pods from other devices operating on the 2.4 GHz band, or by temporarily disabling the 5 GHz band to isolate 2.4 GHz issues. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, re-adding the pod is the next step. First, unplug the pod and remove it from the Rogers app. Then, perform a factory reset by pressing the reset button for 5 to 10 seconds until the light flashes. Reconnect via the app by selecting Add Device and follow the prompts. This clears corrupted configurations. Post re-add, ensure mesh optimization by using the Rogers app to check signal strength and adjust pod locations. Enable load balancing in the app to distribute traffic evenly if you have many connected devices. For persistent issues, contact Rogers support. Technician assistance may be required.